In the realm of theoretical physics, the Dirac Sea offers an intriguing model of the vacuum. Conceived by Paul Dirac, this concept envisions the vacuum not as a mere empty space, but as an infinite ocean of particles imbued with negative energy. When these particles are nudged into positive energy states, they leave behind vacancies or holes that we perceive as positrons, the antimatter counterparts of electrons. This conception reframes our understanding of the vacuum, transforming it from a void into a fertile ground brimming with latent potential, redefining emptiness as a source of endless possibilities. From a philosophical perspective, Buddhism introduces sunyata, the concept of emptiness. Contrary to a superficial interpretation as void or nothingness, sunyata emphasizes the absence of intrinsic, independent existence in all phenomena. Everything exists within a web of interdependence, reliant on a confluence of causes and conditions, and devoid of a permanent, unchanging essence. This notion invites us to perceive reality as a dynamic interplay of interconnectedness, where emptiness becomes a fundamental aspect of existence, signifying potential and interdependence rather than nihilism. Connecting the Dirac Sea and Sunyata, symbolic triads and interrelated influences. In exploring the relationship between the Dirac Sea, the quantum vacuum, and Sunyata, we find a harmonious balance. The Dirac Sea and the quantum vacuum share an intrinsic link, both depicting a state that appears empty yet is saturated with potential. Sunyata seamlessly integrates into this balance, offering a philosophical parallel, an emptiness rich with interconnected possibilities. This connection demonstrates how both scientific and philosophical concepts of emptiness are filled with latent potential, highlighting a universal theme of interconnectedness. Examining the causal relationships between these concepts reveals a progression. The existence of negative energy states catalyzes the emergence of antiparticles. This progression mirrors the realization of sunyata. Understanding the absence of intrinsic nature leads to recognizing the interdependent nature of phenomena, culminating in the realization of emptiness. This causal chain underscores how both quantum mechanics and Buddhist philosophy perceive emptiness as a precursor to the manifestation of potential and interdependence. The interplay and mutual reinforcement among these concepts can be articulated through their dynamic relationships. Perceived emptiness and phenomenal existence are not mutually exclusive, but rather mutually reinforcing. Their interplay reveals an underlying fullness, epitomizing the concept of sunyata. The quantum vacuum and particle manifestation engage in a dance that reflects a deeper, interconnected reality. This relationship illustrates how the perceived void in both the Dirac Sea and sunyata conceals a profound interconnectedness and fullness, enriching our understanding of both the physical and metaphysical worlds.